Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 867, transpose matrix with JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. It says given a 2D integer array matrix, return the transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix is the matrix flipped over its main diagonal, switching the matrix row and column indices. Alright, so basically, if this is our input, this is our output. Basically, our output is going to be, first array here is going to be the first element of each array. The next array is going to be the second element of each array. The next element is going to be the third element of each array. Pretty simple. Same thing here. Our first array is going to be the first element of each array. Next one, the second element of each array. Third one, third one. Notice that these inner arrays can be a different length. There can be a different number of inner arrays too. So we need to somehow account for that. Okay, let's get into this and let's grab this input output. You know what, actually this is better. Let's do that. Let's create our function. Okay, so we're going to need, obviously, a result variable to push into. Now we're going to loop. We're going to say for let I equals 0. If I is less than matrix as 0, that length. Because the one thing that is true is all of the inner arrays are going to be the same length, right? So we can just choose the first one. You could also choose I suppose, but this works just fine. So this is kind of doing the opposite of what you normally see, where you just loop through the length of this, and then the inner loop, this one here, j equals 0, j. The inner loop usually is the one looping through each individual number of the inner array, but this time we're not going to set it up like that. And check this out. So if you console.log matrix at j at I, look at that. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So we're seeing everything in order. Okay. So all we got to do here is create a temporary array, or what's called temp. We'll push into temp this value, and then after we finish the inner loop, we push temp in the result, and we return the result. Well done. That should do it, and it does. Cool. Let's grab all our code. Paste it in here. Format it and submit. Look at that, works great. All right, hopefully you found this enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.